Unlocking time. Understanding chronological order. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, chronological order. This term is a key concept in organizing events, stories, and information in English. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it effectively in your conversations and writings. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets of time with chronological order. Chronological order is a method of arranging events in the order in which they occurred in time. It comes from the words chrono, meaning time, and logical, meaning a reasoned order. This arrangement is widely used in storytelling, historical writing, and anywhere it's important to show the sequence of events. When we say something is in chronological order, we mean it starts with the earliest event and follows through to the latest. It's like watching a movie from start to finish, where each scene follows the one before it. Understanding chronological order is crucial because it helps us make sense of stories and history. It provides a clear and straightforward way to follow the progression of events, making it easier to understand the cause and effect relationships between them. In academic writing, maintaining chronological order can help clarify your arguments and make your work more coherent and logical to the reader. It's not just about dates and times. It's about connecting the dots in a way that tells a complete and engaging story. To give you a clearer picture, let's look at some examples. 1. Historical timelines, listing the major world events from the ancient to the modern era. 2. Biographies, telling the story of a person's life from birth to death. 3. Process instructions, explaining how to bake a cake, starting with preheating the oven and ending with taking the cake out to cool. These examples show how chronological order can be applied in different contexts, making information easier to follow and understand. When organizing information or telling a story, start by identifying the starting point. Then, list the events in the order they happened, leading up to the current point in time or the end of the story. Use time markers like dates, times, and phrases such as first, next, then, and finally, to guide your audience through the sequence. Remember, keeping things in chronological order is all about clarity and making your narrative as engaging and accessible as possible. And that wraps up our exploration of chronological order. We hope this video has shed light on how important and useful this concept is in organizing your thoughts and stories. Whether you're writing an essay, telling a story, or simply recounting your day, remembering to arrange events chronologically can make your communication clearer and more effective. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful English language tips. See you in our next video.